Happy Home Paradise designing. So some interesting choices here, but I am fascinated by this horse. I do not know his name. You can't beat a post-workout shower in the locker room. I have had rare occasions to actually use the locker item, so I think we're going to go with this interesting idea. And who are you, my fine hooved chap? Buck! Well, hello, Buck. Well, I love that your muscles are breakdancing. You are an interesting guy. We're going to put you in a much more interesting outfit, though. Buck, I am ready to make your dreams come true. It is nice to meet you as well. Wow, you are really hardcore jock, Buck. We are going to do everything we can here. Oh, these cute other villagers dancing with KK. Partner. Well, you know what, Buck? I always do, so don't you worry about that. What are your required items, Buck? What's your vision? Locker room lodge. Okay, a shower, a locker, and some sort of a table. Okay, Buck, I do not see why this is not completely achievable. Okay, excellent, Buck. Thanks for the information. I think our vision is very clear. The concept is just going right into my brain. Let's see, Buck. Give me just a moment here to decide where we're going to put you. Okay, Buck, I think it makes sense for you to have water both outside and in. Or I don't know if we'll have a pool inside. I'm not sure, but I think we definitely needed a area for you to take a little dip outside. So we are going to go with this selection right here, Buck. Plenty of space to work out. I think you should love it, partner. Partner. Okay, Buck, you do not need to think about this at all. I work exclusively in 2-floor homes so that I can have my vision completely realized, so I need as much space as possible. So, yes, 2 floors it is. It is time to head out. Yes, I am happy to do it, Lottie. Pleasure as always. Right, Buck, here we are. You are my 178th home here. This is your new base. This is going to be fabulous. Thank you, thank you. I can't wait either. This is going to be very interesting. Let's take a look at your other items. We already saw your must-haves. Okay, box corner sofa. Plenty of lockers. That is great. Lots of workout equipment. That's cool too. Oh, maybe we'll put you in a football shirt. You need something to zhuzh you up a little bit here, Buck. So we're gonna make something happen for you. It's going to be fantastic. Oh, little shower sandals. That's a good idea as well. Okay, Buck, you give me some time and we'll see what I can come up with for you. All right, Buck. Let's take a look at your locker room lodge. So over here we have a lovely little hot tub for you. Some 3 weights here. Nico is taking a rest on this great bench. We've got an excellent exercise ball here, kettlebell, stationary bike, this lifting rack. We've got some lockers, and of course, always hydration, Buck. Always hydration. Yoga mat to do a little yoga, a little stretching. Big barbell thing here. Got your music playing. We've got a treadmill here. Got some of your shower shoes right there, and a pair of tube socks. I also put on this football jersey. I just thought it fit your coloring perfectly. And here is your lodge. Let's take a look inside. Now, your first floor here, Buck, is your locker room, and I hope you like it. It has got a lot of lockers, and it has got all of these photos of your various athletes' friends. There's you, Kid Kat, Phoebe, Hamlet, Puck, Tybalt, Mira, Roscoe, Agent S, and Sweet Marina. got your music playing, and again, all these lockers. Places for you to shower and some televisions above. Just an excellent locker room here for you, Roscoe. Let's take a look upstairs. So here's where the rubber hits the road. Here's where the rubber hits the road, Buck. Sorry if I called you Roscoe. Here is where the big basketball tourneys are held. Here we have some basketballs, another water cooler, the place for the announcer to sit, television camera, scoreboard, trash can, your music playing, places for the team to sit. I mean, it's going to be big, Buck. It is going to be very big. I hope you feel like I have put together your vision for your locker room lodge, as well as given you plenty of exercise equipment. Now, I think since all of your required items are downstairs, that's where I'm going to have you do your formal tour. All right, Roscoe, so here's where we're going to have your formal tour. I forgot that one of your required items was this shower thing. So I thought these wall showers looked better, but I replaced one of the wall showers with one of these little shower boxes because that was one of your must-haves. So, Buck, what do you think? Oh, it's done, partner. It is ready. Your Power Fortress is complete. I'm excited for you to take a look around. Oh, well, thank you. Oh, look at that, Buck. All those pennants there. Just everything an athlete horse could want, frankly. Yeah, more lockers than you can stick a stick at. Oh, nice. Glad to see you sitting. Nice, getting good use out of that. Yay. Oh my gosh, that shirt looks great on you, Buck. That was a real upgrade. Well, you are so very welcome, Buck. It was a real pleasure meeting you, and it was fun making the vision a reality. Recovery is so important, Buck, but I have already taken your photo, and it's time for me to head back. Oh, nice. Boy, you are quite the athlete, Buck. Later.